Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cool glitch on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. Maybe the photo is so maybe this video, so you just click on it and click add at the bottom. Now I wanna make this cool glitch effect, so you just click on the video, and then in here you can split the video like this, and you can delete the part this one like this. Okay, split, and after this in here you can copy this part. At the bottom you can click on the copy, this one, and after this in here at the second video, so you just click on the second video, and at the bottom you can click on the reverse, this one. Okay, you can waiting. Okay, after this in here you just click on the box white icon, this one, and then in here you can click on the effect, and at the effect you can search glitch, color glitch, this one, so you just click on it, and after this in here you can setting the duration, okay, like this, and after this in here you just click on the check icon, this one, and finish. So that how to make cool glitch on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.